In order to use Apple CarPlay features, you must first connect your iPhone to the front-end USB port. Apple CarPlay will not work via Bluetooth. Once connected, the Apple CarPlay icon will appear on the home screen. Press the icon to launch it. Note that when connecting your phone to use Apple CarPlay for the first time, that a prompt will appear on your phone. Select Allow on your phone to allow Apple CarPlay access while your phone is locked. The home screen of Apple CarPlay will consist of apps in which you can use Siri or the touchscreen to launch. The Apple Music icon will grant you access to the Apple Music screen. Apple Maps will give you access to navigation.
Gas station.
The Messages icon will allow you to listen to the texts or through Siri send texts.
To whom should I send your message?